India, a country rich in history, culture, and natural beauty, is a paradise for travelers. From the majestic Himalayas to the vibrant cities and serene beaches, India offers a diverse range of experiences that will leave you spellbound. In this video, we present the top 5 places to visit in India, each offering a unique and unforgettable adventure. So before we start, be sure to subscribe so you don't miss any of our future uploads. 1. Agra, Taj Mahal. Agra, the city that houses the iconic Taj Mahal, is a destination that leaves visitors awestruck with its architectural marvel and captivating history. Located in the northern state of Uttar Pradesh, Agra is easily accessible from Delhi, making it a popular stop on the famous Golden Triangle tourist circuit. The city served as the capital of the Mughal Empire from 1526 to 1658 and has a rich heritage that is evident in its magnificent monuments and cultural landmarks. Undoubtedly, the star attraction of Agra, the Taj Mahal, is a testament to love and one of the most recognized structures in the world. Built by Emperor Shah Jahan in the 17th century as a mausoleum for his beloved wife, Mumtaz Mahal, this architectural masterpiece is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. The ivory-white marble gleams in the sunlight and undergoes subtle color changes throughout the day, creating a mesmerizing sight. Visiting the Taj Mahal at different times of the day offers unique experiences. Sunrise and sunset are particularly magical, as the monument is bathed in a soft golden glow. Witnessing the changing colors and the Taj Mahal's reflection in the tranquil waters of the Yamuna River is an unforgettable sight. 2. Jaipur, the Pink City. The nickname Pink City originates from the city's founder, Maharaja Ram Singh, who painted the entire city pink to welcome the visit of Prince Albert in 1876. Today, the pink-colored buildings in the old part of the city still stand as a testament to its rich history and architectural charm. One of the must-visit attractions in Jaipur is the magnificent Amber Fort, located just outside the city. This majestic fort, built with red sandstone and marble, sits atop a hill and offers breathtaking views of the surrounding landscape. Inside the fort, you'll find ornate palaces, intricately designed courtyards, and the stunning Sheesh Mahal, Mirror Palace, where the walls and ceilings are adorned with thousands of reflective glass pieces. The culinary scene in Jaipur is a delight for food lovers. Don't miss the opportunity to savor authentic Rajasthani cuisine, known for its rich flavors and unique preparations. From mouth-watering dal bati churma, a lentil dish with baked bread and sweet crumble, to delicious kachoris, deep-fried savory snacks, and gawar, a popular Rajasthani sweet, Jaipur's culinary offerings are sure to tantalize your taste buds. 3. Kerala, God's own country. One of the highlights of Kerala is its enchanting backwaters. These interconnected canals, lakes, and lagoons are fringed by palm trees and lush vegetation, creating a tranquil and picturesque landscape. The best way to experience the backwaters is by taking a leisurely houseboat cruise in Aleppo or Kumarakom. Drifting along the calm waters, surrounded by paddy fields and small villages, allows you to immerse yourself in the serenity and beauty of this unique ecosystem. Kerala is also famous for its hill stations, with Munnar being the most popular. Nestled amidst the Western Ghats, Munnar is known for its sprawling tea plantations, mist-covered hills, and pleasant climate. Take a walk through the tea gardens, visit the tea factories to learn about the tea-making process, and enjoy the panoramic views from viewpoints like Echo Point and Top Station. Munnar is a haven for nature lovers and adventure enthusiasts, with opportunities for trekking, wildlife spotting, and birdwatching. For beach lovers, Kerala offers a diverse coastline dotted with pristine sandy beaches. Kovalam, Varkala, and Marari are among the most popular beach destinations in the state. Relax on the sun-kissed shores, indulge in rejuvenating Ayurvedic treatments at beachside resorts, and witness breathtaking sunsets over the Arabian Sea. Kerala's beaches provide the perfect setting to unwind and rejuvenate. 4. Varanasi, spiritual capital. Varanasi, situated on the banks of the sacred Ganges River, is the oldest living city in the world and a spiritual center for Hindus. Witness the mesmerizing evening arti ceremony on the Ghats, steps leading to the river, as devotees pay their respects to the holy river. Take a boat ride along the Ganges at sunrise to experience the rituals, religious ceremonies, and the spiritual fervor of this ancient city. Varanasi is also a gateway to explore nearby attractions like the Buddhist pilgrimage site of Sarnath. 5. Goa, beach paradise. No list of top places to visit in India is complete without mentioning Goa. Located on the western coast, Goa is famous for its stunning beaches, vibrant nightlife, and Portuguese colonial heritage. Relax on the palm-fringed shores of Kalanguti and Anjuna, indulge in water sports, and savor delicious seafood. Explore the charming Portuguese architecture in the old quarters of Panjim and visit the ancient Bom Jesus Basilica, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. India's rich tapestry of history, culture, and natural beauty offers travelers an endless array of experiences. From the awe-inspiring Taj Mahal in Agra to the vibrant streets of Jaipur, the tranquil backwaters of Kerala, the spiritual aura of Varanasi, and the sun-soaked beaches of Goa, these top 5 destinations in India showcase the country's diversity and allure. Embark on an unforgettable journey to these extraordinary places and immerse yourself in the magic that India has to offer.